Good day, everyone. A law student, first question, a law student who is enrolled in the law school's legal aid program who handled the case of a prisoner is already covered by privilege communication rule. This statement is blank. True. The answer is true. When the written and printed words in a document are inconsistent with each other, this is the second question, which one shall prevail? The answer is written. Third question. This is not a ground for disqualification of witness. Religious belief, interest in the outcome of the case, political belief. The answer is all of these. All of these, religious belief, interest in the outcome of the case, political belief, this is not a ground for disqualification of witness. Fourth question. Survivorship disqualification rule or disqualification by reason of death of adverse party. This is called dead man statute. The answer is dead man statute. Fifth question. Disqualification of doctor to testify against his patient applies in civil cases, administrative cases, criminal cases. The answer is all of these. Civil cases, administrative cases, or criminal cases, disqualification of doctor to testify against his patient applies in civil cases, once again, administrative cases, criminal cases, all of this po. Sixth question. It is an act by which a party avoids a litigation or attempts to put an end to one already commenced. It is called compromise. Seventh question. Which of these is the exception to the parole evidence rule? 1. An intrinsic ambiguity, mistake, or imperfection in the written agreement. 2. The failure of the written agreement to express the true intent and agreement of the parties thereto. Third, the validity of the written agreement. Or fourth, the existence of other terms agreed to by the parties or their successors in interest after the execution of the written agreement. The answer is all of these. All of these are exception to the parole evidence rule. Number 8 question or 8th question. A party may present evidence to modify, explain, or add to the terms of written agreement if he puts in issue in his blank the exceptions to the parole evidence rule as mentioned above. The answer is pleadings. I'll read the statement with the correct answer. A party may present evidence to modify, explain, or add to the terms of written agreement if he puts in issue in his pleadings the exceptions to the parole evidence rule as mentioned above. Ninth question. Under the parole evidence rule, the term agreement includes what? Wills. Last question. During their marriage, neither or neither the husband nor the wife may testify for or against the other without the consent of the affected spouse, except in a civil case by one against the other, or in a criminal case for a crime committed by one against the other, or the latter's direct descendants or ascendants. The answer is disqualification by reason of marriage. Thank you so much.